Okay, in this video I will show you how to navigate in Angular using a route. So how to send a parameter in the route to a thank you page. So we have a thank you page here and we need the dynamic organization name here. So if I go to this organization registration, so here we'll fill out the form and then we'll be directed to the thank you page. And then we'll send the dynamic parameter to the thank you page. That is the organization name. So let's get started. Uh, so firstly, let's go to the code here. And to send a dynamic parameter, what we need to do is we need to use a query params variable. Okay. So I have this query params variable here. So let's use this query params here. So if I go to the thank you here, just put a comma here and put query params. Okay, so this should be in the curly braces, query params, and then it will have the organization name. So I'm sending a response from the server. So I'll show you the server and how I'm sending the response. So if I go to Spring Boot here, so I'm sending the response over here, the request.org name. Okay. So this will give me the organization name in the response, and then I'm sending this organization name as a query parameter to this route. Okay, now once we save this, okay, then we'll go to the thank you component.ts, then we'll go to the file. So we have copied all of this, so we have to include the activated route here, okay, from the route package, from the router package. So we have included this. Now we have to put it in the constructor. So we have to use the constructor like this, and we need to put it here just below this class. Then we need to define the variable name, that is the org name. Okay, so this will be a variable here and it will represent the organization name. So if I put here, so then I need to go ahead and I need to, on the initial page load, we need to get the organization name. So we have to use the life cycle of the Angular to get the organization name. So here we'll just skip organization. Okay, if there is no organization present. Okay, so this dot route, so this is the private variable here and the query parameters, and we need to subscribe the query parameters to get the param, and we are setting this .org name to this variable here. So once I do this, now let's copy the org name from this and let's go to the HTML file, and in place of this, let's replace this with org name. Okay, so once we save this, let's go to the application and register a new organization. So test.org. Then I'll put some dummy values here. So this form is little big, so it would take some time. I'll just put dummy data here just to show you how this works. I'll also open the inspect element and I'll show you what data I'm getting once I So I'm filling up the form. So this form is quite long, so it would take some time. And we'll get the contact number. Just fill up this form here. I say agree and I say submit now. Okay, I clear the console and I'll say submit. And you can see that my organization name is and you can see this organization name is coming from the JSON response that we are receiving from the Spring Boot application. Okay, hope this helped you to understand bit of routing here and how to pass query parameters in the Angular routes.